Nice and boom. What's going on, guys? And welcome back, the entire Cronos fam. I have right in front of us Crypto.com Cronos token and CRO. Well, I think I'm personally really excited with what's happening. Obviously, we're nowhere even close to where we should be personally, but but I think buying at low 6 cents right now, close to mid 6 cents, and it was much higher because of the CPI pump. Obviously, I'm feeling really great. This is the week chart, by the way. Over the last 3 weeks, we stopped and we start growing. Now, we've seen this pattern before right here at the end of 2022, and it created a lower low. Now, it could be that this week and the weeks ahead, at least January 2023, it's a breath of fresh air for the market, knowing that CPI came in really nice at 6.5% annual. I think it's really cool, just knowing how the market is moving out of that recession. Well, it does look like we're getting into a recession, but inflation type of deal as is cooling off. But regardless, Crypto.com, after the FIFA World Cup, after gaining 70 million users in 2022, and after Cronos Chain, 1 million plus addresses activated, 2022, we haven't received major announcements from Crypto.com yet in the month of January, but there's a lot of month left. There's a lot of 2023 left. I'm pretty sure that there's some stuff that Chris is cooking, that is working on, and once we get it, we might see some price volatility. Let me tell you another thing. We do not need any type of news at all by now to have the price of Cronos rise. Why am I saying it? Because all those great news happened last year and the price didn't do anything. So it's like we have saved loaded like bullets of amazing, great innovation, growth, and progress that as long as Bitcoin starts rising, because we have a better outlook, it's going to pick up all these altcoins, including Crypto.com. What do you guys think? In my opinion, a great bet for opportunities later on. And personally, I have over 50,000 Cronos tokens. I feel pretty happy and excited. Most of them I bought it when I was when it was like 50 cents, 40 cents. So I spent quite a bit of money. Now it's 10x less. I just spent $1,000 of my own money because I believe in the project. It's making me money. I'm staking, so it's passive income. It's in the DeFi wallet, so it's safe. I mean, after all, this is exactly what crypto has to be. A trust, not in a company, but in a project that it has meaning, it's decentralized, and it's governed by its people. I'll see you next time, everybody.